Imagine a time when cars were just loud, clunky machines. Then one man, Ettore Bugatti, had a radical idea. He didn't want to build a car that just moved. He wanted to build one that flew. A machine made not just of metal, but of pure art and imagination. In 1909, his vision roared to life. The first Bugatti was small, light, and incredibly fast. While others built for practicality, Ettore chased perfection. His cars were like sculptures on wheels, and soon the world, especially America, took notice. From New York to California, owning a Bugatti wasn't just about driving, it was a statement. Then came the legendary Type 35, a masterpiece that dominated racetracks and rewrote history. But behind the glory, shadows grew. Economic depression, World War, and personal tragedy brought the Bugatti empire to its knees. The dream seemed to fade. But legends never truly die, do they? Thanks for watching. If you love stories like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. After the war, the world of cars was all about American muscle. Ford and Chevy owned the roads, and horsepower was king. But the legendary name of Bugatti had gone silent, a ghost from a bygone era. For decades, the company bounced between owners. Factories shut down, and the name that once defined speed faded into memory. Yet, in America, a quiet obsession grew. Collectors, from Hollywood stars to Wall Street tycoons, hunted down rare Bugattis, preserving them like priceless artifacts. In the 80s, a revival flickered with the AB11 supercar, a machine ahead of its time. It was a masterpiece, but the world wasn't ready, and the dream collapsed again. But legends don't stay down forever. The Volkswagen Group saw the slumbering giant and made a promise to build the fastest car the world had ever seen. In 2005, they delivered the Veyron. With over 1,000 horsepower at a top speed that shattered records, it wasn't just a car. It was a statement. Bugatti was back, rewriting the very definition of speed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories. After the triumph of the Veyron, Bugatti knew that staying on top is always harder than getting there. So what comes next? Enter the Chiron, faster, stronger, and somehow even more beautiful. It was a perfect blend, carrying the racing soul of the legendary Type 35 and the raw power of the Veyron. In the US, the Chiron became an instant icon. From Hollywood celebrities to Silicon Valley innovators, everyone wanted a piece of this masterpiece. And sure, it cost millions, but every owner would tell you the same thing. It's absolutely worth it. The Chiron wasn't just a car. It was a statement that luxury can move faster than the speed of thought. But Bugatti didn't stop there. They unleashed the Bolide, a track-only beast built to defy physics and show the world the absolute peak of engineering. It sent a clear message. Perfection is a journey, not a destination. Today, Bugatti continues to build bridges between its glorious past and a sustainable future, proving that a dream, when chased with passion, never truly ends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.